Some of you may remember the old Chase Sapphire Preferred design, which looked just like this, but recently Chase gave an update. Now it looks like this. And along with the new sleek design change, Chase also gave it some brand new rewards categories and benefit updates. So in today's video, we're going to go over the current version of the Chase Sapphire Preferred and help you determine if it should be a card in your wallet or not. Let's begin. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below this video. Also check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a fantastic app to manage all of your credit cards and rewards in one place. It also allows you to track your purchases across all cards and helps you identify which card to use to earn the most rewards. And if you sign up for MAXREWARDS Gold, it automatically activates your card-linked offers, quarterly spend categories, and a whole lot more. You can get your first month free by using the link in the description. Now that we've gone from the old design over to the new design, some of you may be wondering, is the new design still a metal credit card? And the answer to that is most certainly yes. Cue the drop tests. And with that out of the way, we're now going to dive right into the new review of the updated Chase Sapphire Preferred card. Starting with the welcome bonus as of September 2021, which is currently 100,000 points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months of card membership. The value of those 100,000 points is around $1,000 to $1,250, depending on how you redeem them. They could even be worth a little bit more, and we'll get into that in just a few moments. Once you've gotten your hands on that big welcome bonus, you can then earn points on this card long term in some very, very useful categories. It begins with 5 points per dollar on travel, but this one is only when you book via the Ultimate Rewards portal. This excludes the hotel purchases that qualify for the $50 anniversary hotel credit. We'll talk about that benefit in a moment. You'll then earn triple points on dining, including takeout and eligible delivery services, triple on online grocery purchases, excluding Target, Walmart, and wholesale clubs, and triple on select streaming services. You'll then earn double points on all other travel that is non-portal purchases, in other words, directly with hotel or airline websites or third-party travel agencies, things like that, and 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. The annual fee on this card is $95. Now, since we're dealing with things like booking travel inside the portal versus outside the portal, and eligible streaming services and online grocery delivery with exclusions, it's obviously very clear that there are some terms, conditions, and restrictions that go with a lot of these rewards categories. So I won't read every single word to you here, but to give you a nice high-level summary of what works versus what doesn't to trigger those eligible rewards categories to earn triple points, for example, let me give you a breakdown of each category so you know what to expect with your rewards. First up, what counts as travel when purchased within the Ultimate Rewards portal? This is where you'll be earning 5 points per dollar, and it will work with prepaid travel purchases made on ultimaterewards.com and bookings made through the Chase Travel Center via the number on the back of your card if you were to call and speak with one of their agents. It also works for airline tickets, hotels, car rentals, vacation rentals, and cruises. And I also put the exclusions down there at the bottom in gray font in case you'd like to read those. Second, we have what counts as travel when purchased outside of the Ultimate Rewards portal. For example, this might be directly with a hotel or airline website or on a third-party company like Expedia, Priceline, etc. So there's a nice long list of eligible travel purchases here, including airlines, hotels, motels, car rental agencies, cruise lines, discounted travel sites. They're on the far left-hand side toward the bottom. Campgrounds as well, and then a whole bunch on the right-hand column as well. So feel free to pause this and see what all counts for earning double points in this type of category, plus the exclusions there at the bottom, also in gray font. What counts as dining or restaurants? Well, as long as a merchant's primary business is sit down or eat in dining, it will include fast food restaurants, fine dining establishments, delivery service merchants will also be included if they classify as a restaurant merchant, and a few other exclusions there at the bottom. For the most part, if you walk into a dining establishment and their primary line of business is food, there's a very good chance that you'll be earning triple points on all those types of purchases. Now for what counts as select streaming. Well, merchants in the select streaming services category specialize in delivering music and video content over the internet. only subscriptions paid for or purchases made with the following select merchants will qualify for this category. So included are things like Disney Plus, Hulu, Netflix, Spotify, YouTube TV, and others. There's a list right there. Of course, this may change over time if Chase decides to add or exclude certain services over the months and years to come. And for our last special rewards category, online grocery, this will include purchases for grocery pickup and delivery that are placed online with grocery stores, specialty food stores, delivery service merchants that classify as grocery store merchants, and meal kit delivery services. Once again, I've put the exclusions down there at the bottom, so feel free to pause this screen if you'd like to read the details about those. All right, so you've gotten that huge welcome bonus in year one, and you've been earning 5 points and triple points and double points and all these great purchases. And now you got this huge stash of points and you want to redeem them for something great. And here are some great ways to redeem those points. On the whole, the best way to get the most value per point is typically with travel redemptions via transfer partners, meaning you're literally taking your Chase Ultimate Rewards points and converting them into airline miles or hotel points of another partner program. If you do this and then book a flight or hotel at a very favorable time, you may be able to get around 2 cents per point or so on average. So as an example, 100,000 points will be worth $2,000. Then we have travel via the portal, which I've already mentioned a few times prior. That's the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, where rather than an average value when you're dealing with different programs, you get a guaranteed flat rate of 1.25 cents per point. This is valid for flights, hotels, car rentals, cruises, vacations, and experiences through that portal. So for this example, 100,000 points will be worth $1,250. Chase also has another great feature called Pay Yourself Back there on the screen in yellow. This is also done through the Ultimate Rewards portal. It's just a different menu option, and this still gives you the 1.25 cents per point rate. The current eligible categories for Pay Yourself Back redemptions include grocery stores, dining, including takeout and delivery, home improvement stores, charitable organizations, and fund a vaccine ride with Lyft. This list is subject to change. All of these are currently eligible through September 30th of 2021. At that point, Chase may change them, rotate something new in, or just extend them even further. So we'll have to see what happens at that point. But the way this works is you charge any eligible purchase in the available categories at the time to your card. Then you retroactively go back into your account and redeem your points against those charges to wipe them out as a statement credit. So once again, the 100,000 points are still worth $1,250 here. Then lastly, at the bottom, we have cash back as a statement credit or a deposit to a checking or savings account. This gives you a flat 1 cent per point rate, so 100,000 points will be worth $1,000. So while this is one of the lower value redemptions for your points, it still gives you the most flexibility because of course you can use cash back for whatever you like. Now, since transfer partners may give you the highest average value for your points, here's a current list of the airlines and hotels that participate within Chase's program, and all of these are one-to-one transfers. So if you have 10,000 Chase points, for example, those will become 10,000 air miles or 10,000 hotel points in the partner program. Now, that does not mean you'll still be getting 1.25 cents per point or even the full 2 cents per point that we speak about on average. You now have air miles or hotel points in a completely different program, which means you're then subject to the value you get within those individual programs. And it's usually based on which hotel you redeem for, the time of the year, the airline route, seasonality, demand, etc. And for that reason, I never recommend just transferring your points out from Chase to another airline or hotel program speculatively without any specific plans. Know where you want to fly, know where you want to stay, do your research to see what type of points or miles can be used to get you there, and then from there you work your way backwards. So once you figured out your plan and you can see how many miles or points you need to get there or stay wherever you want to stay, then you take your Chase points, transfer them out if it made sense to do so based on the right partner to get you where you need to be. Now on to the perks and benefits of the card. First, we have a $50 anniversary hotel credit. This is an automatic statement credit for hotels booked via the Ultimate Rewards portal up to a $50 credit. Now, this renews every account anniversary year and it does not earn points. Second is a 10% anniversary points bonus. Every account anniversary, you'll receive bonus points equal to 10% of your total purchases made in the prior year. For example, if you spent $15,000 on purchases on the Sapphire Preferred card specifically, you'll earn 1,500 bonus points. Next is the Visa Signature Luxury Hotel Collection, giving you VIP perks at upscale hotels around the world. This does require booking through a special portal that is not the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, and it gives you things like room upgrades, daily breakfast for two, hotel credits, etc. The benefits may vary from one property to the next. Fourth, we have DoorDash. You get a free Dash Pass membership for at least 12 months if you activate by 12/31/2021. With Lyft, you'll earn 5 points per dollar on qualifying Lyft purchases through March 31st, 2022. And then with Peloton, we have two separate benefits here. First is you can earn up to $60 in statement credits on Peloton Digital or All Access memberships through December 31st, 2021. And second, you can earn 5 points per dollar on Peloton equipment and accessory purchases through March 30th of 2022. Lastly, there are no foreign transaction fees on this card, and combining that with the fact that this is a Visa credit card, it's a great one to bring with you abroad on trips outside the US. Moving into the insurance and protections on the card, you will have trip cancellation and interruption insurance, auto rental collision damage waiver, baggage delay insurance, trip delay reimbursement, and travel and emergency assistance services. Those are the travel-related protections on the left-hand side. Then moving over to the right, you also have purchase protection and extended warranty protection for your retail types of purchases. So feel free to pause this to read the details further if that interests you. All right, so should you get the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card or should you not? Let me help you make the right decision based on your circumstances. You should consider getting this card if you book travel or at least willing to book travel via the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, if you spend on dining and online groceries regularly, if you redeem for travel and or eligible pay yourself back categories, if you value the transfer partners that Chase offers, and if you have other Chase cards that also earn Ultimate Rewards points, and you're interested in pooling all of those points together so that way you can get the extra 25% value and or access to transfer partners that only cards like the Sapphire Preferred, Sapphire Reserve, and Ink Business Preferred give you. All that said, you should not consider this card if you don't travel much or at all, if you don't spend on dining or online groceries, if you prefer cash back with no annual fee, if you want one card for everything, or if you're over 524. And with that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on those notifications. Also check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a fantastic app to manage all of your credit cards and rewards in one place. It also allows you to track your purchases across all cards and helps you identify which card to use to earn the most rewards. And if you sign up for MAXREWARDS Gold, it automatically activates your card-linked offers, quarterly spend categories, and a whole lot more. You can get your first month free by using the link in the description. And to wrap it all up, I'd love to know your thoughts about the new revamped Chase Sapphire Preferred, or if you're watching this in the future, perhaps it's no longer newly revamped. But overall, still tell me your thoughts about what you think about this card. Do you like it? Does it fit in with your spending habits to use it with other credit cards to maximize your return in different categories? Let me know your strategy down below in the comments area. I thank you all for tuning into today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great. Also remember to use that hotel credit every account anniversary year.